Every highway you drive on is built using a language most people never understand. Terms like superelevation, subgrade, camber, pavement composition, and right-of-way are not just definitions, they are the engineering decisions that control safety, durability, drainage, traffic flow, and the lifespan of entire transportation networks. In this masterclass, we break down the advanced technical terminology behind modern highway engineering and reveal how these concepts shape the roads connecting the world. Right-of-way. The right-of-way is the total width of land acquired for a roadway, encompassing the carriageway, shoulders, drainage systems, side slopes, and provisions for future expansion, determined based on traffic demand, road classification, terrain conditions, and utility requirements to ensure safety, operational efficiency, and long-term development. Carriageway. The carriageway is the portion of the roadway specifically designed for vehicular movement, excluding shoulders, with its width governed by lane standards, typically 3.75 meter per lane, traffic composition, and safety clearances to facilitate efficient and safe traffic flow. Formation width or roadway width. Before the formation width is the total width of the road at the subgrade level, including the carriageway and shoulders, serving as the fundamental platform for pavement construction and directly influencing earthwork design, embankment stability, and load distribution. Subgrade. The subgrade is the prepared and compacted natural soil layer forming the foundation of the pavement structure, whose strength, commonly evaluated by CBR, compaction, and drainage characteristics, critically govern the structural performance, durability, and load-bearing capacity of the entire pavement system. Pavement. The pavement is a multi-layered structural system constructed above the subgrade, designed to distribute vehicular loads safely to the underlying soil through engineered layers. Subbase, base, and surface. With its design based on traffic loading, material properties, fatigue behavior, and environmental conditions. Camber or cross slope. The camber is the transverse slope provided on the road surface to facilitate rapid drainage of rainwater, thereby preventing water accumulation, reducing pavement deterioration, and enhancing skid resistance, typically expressed as a ratio or percentage depending on surface type. Gradient or longitudinal slope. The gradient is the rate of rise or fall of a road along its longitudinal alignment, expressed as a percentage, and is a critical design parameter influencing vehicle performance, fuel efficiency, safety, and drainage, with values selected based on terrain and road classification. Superelevation. Superelevation is the transverse inclination provided to the pavement on horizontal curves by raising the outer edge relative to the inner edge, designed to counteract centrifugal force, thereby improving vehicle stability, reducing skidding risk, and enhancing safety at design speeds. Sight distance. Sight distance is the length of roadway ahead visible to a driver, required to safely perform driving maneuvers such as stopping or overtaking, and is determined based on vehicle speed, driver perception reaction time, and braking characteristics to ensure roadway safety. Shoulder. The shoulder is the strip adjoining the carriageway, designed to provide lateral support to the pavement, accommodate emergency stopping, and enhance safety, with its width and surface type selected to improve structural integrity and operational reliability. Median. The median is the longitudinal space separating opposing traffic streams on divided highways, designed to enhance safety by minimizing head-on collisions, and may incorporate barriers, drainage features, landscaping, or provisions for future road widening. Curb. A curb is a raised or sloped boundary between the carriageway and adjacent areas such as footpaths or medians, designed to control drainage, delineate traffic lanes, regulate parking, and improve pedestrian safety, with its type selected based on functional requirements. 3 layers of pavement. A. Subbase. The subbase is the intermediate layer between the subgrade and base course, designed to improve load distribution, provide drainage, and prevent intrusion of fine particles from the subgrade into upper layers. B. Base course. The base course is the principal structural layer of the pavement that distributes traffic loads to lower layers, providing strength and stiffness to the pavement system. C. Surface course. The surface course is the topmost layer of pavement that directly interacts with traffic, designed to provide smooth riding quality, skid resistance, and protection of underlying layers from environmental effects. Flexible pavement. A flexible pavement is a layered pavement system in which loads are transmitted through successive layers by grain-to-grain contact, resulting in gradual stress distribution, typically constructed using bituminous materials and sensitive to temperature and moisture variations. Rigid pavement. Rigid pavement is a pavement structure composed of cement concrete slabs that distribute loads over a wide area due to their high flexural strength, requiring provision of joints to accommodate temperature and shrinkage effects. Traffic volume. Traffic volume is the number of vehicles passing a specific point on a roadway over a given time period, expressed using parameters such as ADT or PCU, and is fundamental for pavement design, capacity analysis, and traffic management. Design speed. The design speed is the maximum safe speed selected for designing geometric features of a road, such as curves, gradients, and sight distances, ensuring consistency between roadway elements and driver expectations. Horizontal curve. A horizontal curve is a curve in the plan of a roadway introduced to change direction, designed with appropriate radius, superelevation, and transition curves to ensure vehicle stability, comfort, and safety. Vertical curve. A vertical curve is a smooth parabolic curve provided in the longitudinal profile of a road to connect two different gradients, ensuring gradual transition for comfort, safety, and adequate sight distance. Drainage system. The road drainage system comprises surface and subsurface arrangements such as side drains, culverts, and cross-drainage structures designed to efficiently remove water from the roadway and subgrade, thereby preserving pavement strength and extending service life. Driveway. A driveway is a short access road or paved connection linking a property, residential, commercial, or industrial to a public road, designed to accommodate safe and efficient entry and exit of vehicles while minimizing conflict with through traffic. Its geometry, width, turning radius, gradients, and sight distance, is carefully controlled to ensure visibility, drainage, and compatibility with the main roadway's speed and traffic characteristics. Berm. A berm is a horizontal strip or raised longitudinal platform provided along the roadside, typically between the shoulder and side slope, or within embankments and cut sections, intended to enhance stability, provide lateral support, improve drainage control, and offer space for maintenance, safety recovery, or placement of roadside utilities and barriers.